symposium on packaging. So of course, this is not a symposium on whether you use peanuts or stuffed newspaper. It's on the packaging. So it's packaging is how you the focus is how you put the optics and electronic chips together, and so we have a lot of I think there's 8 speakers, expert speakers on this topic, and they're covering everything from how you do VCSELs, vertical cavity lasers with electronics, including polymer interconnects, optics, putting optics right on the board. So today, a lot of optics is done separately by separate companies, and they put them in gold boxes, and then other companies put it together. So there's now a new paradigm where we now need smaller and cheaper and better performance. So now the optics and electronics has to be put together, and so it's also optics on board. It's a 3D packaging where you put the optics and electronics chips right on top of each other, using through silicon vias, using also interposers. There's going to be talking how you align the optics to these chips in a cost-effective way and survive the solder reflow.